Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Best Education 99. So here now I am going to explain you detailed parabola. So it's a very important chapter for uh, board class also and for competitive exam also. Many types of objective question, numerical types question asked related to parabola. So here I am giving you detailed explanation of parabola. So this is the diagram of parabola you can see here. And now if you want to understand its definition, so first you have to read its definition. Now you have to learn this definition. A parabola is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point in the plane. Now the set of all points that are equidistant from a fixed line. So where that fixed line, this is the fixed line, it is called directrix. This fixed line, what is it called? Directrix. Now a fixed line and a fixed point. Now this is the fixed point, this. Now where it is in the diagram, this fixed point known as the focus, this is. So this point are moving like this, p1, p2, p3. That points are equidistant from a fixed point that is called focus, and a fixed line that is called directrix. So these distances always equal. So this is the path generated, it is called, that path is generated, that is called parabola. So that distances are always equal. p1f that is equal to p1b1 here, then p2f that is equal to p2b2, and this p3f that is equal to p3b3. So the locus of this point is called parabola. So this is the actual diagram of parabola. So now you understood that definitions and diagram also of parabola in the terms of directrix and the fixed point focus and fixed line that is called directrix. Now move further. Now this is all the detailed explanation of this diagram of parabola. This is the line of symmetry. This line of symmetry also, it is called the axis of parabola, means the this diagram of parabola is symmetrical through this axis, so it is called axis. And already I explained the directrix, fixed line, and the focus, which is called focus of parabola, and this point is called vertex of parabola. So this, remember this point. So now how you will generate standard equation of parabola. Now you have to find that standard equation of parabola. Now suppose you read this equation of parabola is the simplest if the vertex is at the origin and the axis of symmetry is along the x-axis or y-axis. The four possible such orientations of parabola are shown below. So this diagram, if you will draw on the coordinate axis, you know about the coordinate axis, this x-axis and this is y-axis. So in four possible ways are there, we can draw this diagram. It is on positive x-axis, this is called positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis, this is positive y-axis, and this is negative y-axis. So in this diagram, the focus of on positive x-axis, and this focus, suppose given coordinates a 0, this is one possible way to draw a diagram, and this is the directrix. So directrix is always equidistant from the vertex, that is equal to the length of focus from vertex. So OF always equal to O to this point of directrix. So these distances are always equal. So the equation of this line, this is negative x-axis, so equation of this line will become x is equal to minus a. So these distances and these focal distances from vertex are equal, so this point is a0. So this is one orientation of parabola. Now another orientation of parabola, the center is on negative x-axis, so this focus is now become minus a0. Now this directrix will come on the positive x-axis, so the equation of this directrix will become x is equal to plus a. So here this is equation of parabola y square is equal to 4ax. So when parabola is drawn on positive x-axis through positive x-axis, the equation is y square is equal to 4ax. Now a is the coordinate of point focus a0. So in equation it is a, you will find here 4ax. Now in this diagram, when parabola, when we will draw opposite means on negative x-axis, so focus also will be opposite, it will become minus a0, and directrix also will be opposite. Now it is on positive x-axis, so x is equal to positive a. So now this equation become y square equal to minus 4ax. In a negative symbol will come when the parabola drawn through negative x-axis. So the equation y square 4ax become y square is equal to minus 4x for this diagram. So remember this. Now another third way, this is when diagram of parabola moves to positive y-axis. When we will draw this parabola on positive y-axis, so obviously this focus, coordinates of focus turns into 0 a, for x is 0 and y is a, and directrix also opposite. So directrix is now will become the equation of the directrix y is equal to minus a. This is the equation of this directrix. The same distance from vertex as distance is focus, these distances are equal. So what is equation? Now this parabola, the equation now x and y will reverse. X square is equal to 4ay. Now here y square is equal to 4ax. Now it is become here x square is equal to 4ay. So same for this, when this parabola moves downside on negative y-axis, so obviously this focus coordinates of the focus 0a become 0 minus a, and equation of the directrix also y equal to minus a become y is equal to a, means everything opposite. So equation of the parabola, now here also the symbol will change. Here x square is equal to 4ay, now it is become here x square is equal to minus 4ay. So this is all 4 possible ways of parabola I have explained. So now next explanation I will give in my next video, so you continue to watch. So thank you very much. Don't forget to share and subscribe the channel Base Education 99 to help everyone. So meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.